Hello guys, welcome back. Finally, we finished practice with me sessions of C sharp major scale. So we completed all the C sharp family notes. Now if you are follow up all the videos, we at least we will play all the triads of the chords. Okay, all the triads of the chords. So it's like a very easy thing. Today we are going to see playing the chords and playing the arpeggios or playing like we are ultimately we are creating some melody lines over the chords. Okay, that's our aim. So we seen a C sharp major. Okay, take it a normal chord progression 1 4 5. Okay, C sharp major has. Okay, what are the notes which have C sharp major? C sharp. So okay, what are the notes? What are the notes which has C sharp major 1 4 5? Like first note is C sharp, and the fourth note is F sharp, and the fifth note is G sharp. Okay, hope you all know that. If you are didn't follow my practice with me sessions, don't worry, it's all available in my channel. Go on practice with me. So it's very easy. I taught and learning. We are learning only the arpeggios, so it's easy. Now we are going to play the melody lines over the chords. So it's quite simple. Stay tuned. We'll see. First of all, we are going to play the 1, 4, and 5 chords. Okay. Hope you all know the bar chord shapes: A minor shape and E minor shape. Sorry, A major shape and E major shape. So C sharp major sounds this A major shape, and then we go into fourth, which is the F sharp major, and then we go into G sharp major. It's the fifth of C sharp major. So like that. Now I'm going to play some melody over that. Okay, first I will tell you the sample like how it goes, and then we will record. I have a mobile phone. You also have. I hope you also have the mobile phone. And then open your recorder, voice recorder, and then we play the chord, and then we play it on mobile, and then we try to play simple lines like 1 or 2 notes to create a simple melody. Okay, that's our aim. So first I tell you how it goes like. Okay, first I will play the chord. So the rhythm goes like that, simple 4/4 rhythm. Okay, okay. First think it of the chord tones. Okay, the chord, what chord is going on. Okay, think it of this note, this bass note. Okay, bass note of the chord. This C sharp note. First I'm in the root. Okay, C sharp. Okay, think it of the note. Okay, memorize the note in your mind. Okay, replicate. Okay, okay. I know the note. I know the chord. Okay. Now we will sing C sharp triad. Okay, basic C sharp triad. What are the C sharp major triad? Okay, C sharp, F, and G sharp. Okay, C sharp, F. Sorry, C sharp, F, and G sharp. Sorry, C sharp, F, G sharp. Okay. So we practiced with the metronome. We did all that. Now we are going to play while the chord is playing. We are going to play over the track. Okay. I didn't play any track of others from YouTube or nothing. We are going to record our chords and play it, and we have to jam over the track. Okay. Due to copyright issue. Okay. Hope I will record. Okay. Record first. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 10 seconds. 10 seconds and on. Okay. Hope you hear the chord. Do the same in your mobile. It will super effective. It will super improve your skills. Okay. Okay, record like that, and then play over that. I'm playing the normal C sharp note one, okay, over the track. Okay, I'll record another track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that, and then play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Okay, just play the C sharp note itself. Okay, whenever you play the C sharp chord, just play the C sharp note itself. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. So okay, now we are going to the third of C sharp. Okay, third note. What is the third note? Is the F note. Okay, we are playing F note to the track. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See how it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I play C sharp and F, okay, both the notes for the scale over the scale. Let's see how it sounds. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we are going to the fifth. It's a G sharp note. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. See how it sounds like. Okay, now we are going to play all the three notes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I'm trying to create a like the simple lines. Okay, so if you are not able to create those lines, don't worry. It's like play the notes. Okay, play the single note. Okay, and then add two notes, and then add three notes, and then add the techniques which I taught already, like slides, hammer-ons, pull-ups. If you don't know, I will give the icon in I button, so click that and watch that. You will learn. Definitely it will be super useful. So like that we will practice. 1, 3, 4. And the fifth G sharp. Mix match these three notes. Okay, and then you will try to create a sum. Okay, now when F sharp, when you hit the F sharp chord, okay, try to record it in your mobile. So like 12 seconds are like that. So I recorded the F sharp chord. Now I try to play the triad of F sharp. So start with the root. Okay, play your recording. Whenever F sharp note plays, try to play the F sharp note itself. F sharp chord plays, try to play the F sharp note itself. Okay, see, 3, 4. So only play the F sharp note. So what is F sharp triad? Okay, F sharp triad is basically F sharp, B flat and C sharp. Okay, so we can play with the shuffle, or like it's like there is no rules for playing solos like this. Okay, it's like only it's our wish to play like to sounds good. Okay, sounds like a pro or sounds good. So see, if I will improvise in this, I will create some melody lines in this chord. Okay, how it sounds. See how it sounds. So like that. Okay, I'll create some melodies. Okay, just if you're not able to create these type of melodies, don't worry. Just practice with me, like practice the root and triads. Okay, I did just what I did is just played the F sharp note and the B flat note, it's the third, and then C sharp note. Okay, with some slides. That's it. Just front slide and hit the C sharp note. Okay, these are the basic melodies. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. I will separate this video as parts. Okay, if I put this video as a full length, some people will get confused. So don't worry, just play the chord and play the root note and the third note and the fifth note. See how it sounds and mix match those notes and play, like add some slides and hammer-ons, and then see how it sounds. Like create some melodies and sing some melodies in your voice or in your mind, and then play it in the guitar. Try to play it in the guitar. So it's super simple. Okay, thanks for watching. This is for video. We will continue in the next class. Bye. Do subscribe.